Hello, dear students. Good morning. How are you? I, your English teacher, welcome you all in my class. Dear students, in the previous two classes, we were doing the chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapses of Memory. Today, we are going to continue the same chapter and we are going to see the part number 3 of the chapter. If you remember, in this chapter, we have covered some parts of the chapter and we have got to know that the main character of the chapter, Mr. Bipin Babu, you can say Mr. Bipin Chaudhary, he was in a great confusion, he was in a great dilemma that what was going on with him. He met a person in the market, that person told him that he had been in the Ranchi once in the year 1958. And so far as Bipin Babu concerned, he remembered it very well that he had never gone to that place, and the man has given him such evidences that made him realize that perhaps he is making a mistake, or he might have forgotten the things, or he may have been there in the Ranchi. To make it confirm whether he was in Ranchi, though Mr. Bipin Babu was to some extent he was confident that he had not gone over there, but the fact, the evidences that man gave, that made him realize that perhaps he might be making a mistake. So to make it sure, he tried to make a call to his friend just to make it confirm whether he was in Ranchi or not. So what he did? He made a call, and he made that call to his friend Dinesh Mukherjee, and he asked him, Dinesh, do you remember where was I? Dinesh said, yes, of course I remember it very well that in the year 1958 you were there in the Ranchi. Have you forgotten about all these things? When Bipin Chaudhary heard this thing, even his friend who was there even his friend is saying that he has been in Ranchi, then he became completely confused that what is problem with him, why has he forgotten that important incident of his life. So let us continue the next part and see what happens in the next part. After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting in his desk and working. This had never happened in 25 years he had been with the firm. He had a reputation of being a tireless, conscientious worker, but today his head was in a whirl. What happened? Bipin Babu, when he heard this news from his friend or when he heard this confirmation from his friend that he had been there in the Ranchi, Bipin Babu became completely perplexed, nervous, and he realized, now he was there in his office. Now in his office he realized that it was not possible for him to work in the office. He was in such a great stress, and this thing was happening for the first time in the life of Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Chaudhary was, for the last 25 years he was working in that company. He was a dedicated, hard working person. He had never felt such a thing that he was feeling on that day. Let us see. He felt that his head was whirling. Whirl means moving, spinning. He was in such a great tension, he felt that his head was spinning. Back at home, 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in the bed and tried to gather his wits together. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head, but he did not know a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. So what happened? Now Bipin Chaudhary has returned to his house. He was there in his bed and he was trying to make himself comfortable. Gather his wits together means he was trying to make himself comfortable. He was trying to make himself relaxed. Then he started thinking over that thing. He started thinking and he thought that I know it very well that it is possible for a person to forget the things when a person has some injury in the head. Okay, this thing is possible, but this thing is not possible that a person will remember everything and he will forget only one thing, and such a thing which is very important and which has not taken place many years ago. अपने घर पे आके बिपिन बाबू ने रियलाइज किया कि एक इंसान के लिए सिर पे चोट लगने के बाद कुछ भूल जाना पॉसिबल है, लेकिन ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि एक पर्सन सब कुछ भूल जाए और उसे सब कुछ याद रहे, बस एक इंसिडेंट लाइफ का भूल जाए, और ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों था? वाई इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज बिपिन बाबू हैड ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो रांची बट ही कुडंट गो टू रांची। जब हम कोई काम बहुत मन से करना चाहेंगे, अगर हमने उस काम को किया है, then that work will be there in our mind. Same thing Vipin Chaudhary was thinking. He was thinking that I wanted to go to Ranchi. I was very desperate to go to Ranchi. But if I had gone there, it should be there in my mind. How can I forget such an important incident of my life? So these were the dilemma, these were the problems that Vipin Chaudhary was having, and he was in a confused, stressed, he was in a confused and stressed condition. Let us see what happened. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chunni Babu, sir says it is very important. Bipin Babu knew that Chunni had come, what Chunni had come for. Chunni Lal had been at school with him. He had been having a rough time. Lately, he had been coming to see him about a job. Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him. In fact, told him so, but Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. Now in the story there comes a new character. This new character is one of the friend of Bipin Chaudhary. His name is Chunni Lal. Chunni Lal has came to the house of Bipin Chaudhary to meet him, and the servant came and he said that, sir, Mr. Chunni Lal has come and he says that it is very important for him to meet you. Bipin Babu realized immediately that why Chunni Lal had come. Actually, Chunni Lal was his school friend. Nowadays, he was out of job. He was not having any job. So, he was coming again and again to Bipin Chaudhary in the hope that Bipin Chaudhary may arrange some job for him. Bipin Chaudhary know it very well that it was not possible for him to arrange any job. Even he had told him so that he could not do anything for him. Still, he was turning like a bad penny. Penny means he was coming again and again to Bipin Chaudhary requesting him, please arrange any job for me. And Bipin Chaudhary know that he cannot do anything, and especially at that time when he was very much stressed. Let us see this part. Bipin sent word that not only was it was possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs into the living room. Chunni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Now what happened? Bipin Chaudhary said to his servant that go and tell him that it is not possible for me to meet him today, not only today, even for many days, several weeks. Then when the servant was going to inform Chunni Babu about that, suddenly it came in the mind of the Bipin Chaudhary that perhaps Chunni Lal might be knowing something about my Ranchi trip of 1958, so I should go and ask him. ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि मैं उनसे जाके पूछूं, एक और पर्सन से मैं कंफर्मेशन ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं सचमुच में वहाँ गया था. And he went into the drawing room. He found there Chunni Lal was about to go, and when Chunni Lal saw Bipin Chaudhary coming, he stopped there, and Bipin Babu did not beat about the bush. Beat about the bush means to talk in a round way manner, and did not beat about the bush means to come to the point directly. Bipin Chaudhary, without making any other conversation, he came to the main point directly. What was his main point? His main point was asking whether he was there in Ranchi or not. Bipin hurried. Okay, listen, Chunni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory, and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 1958? Chunni said, 58. Yeah, it must have been 58. It was or it was 59. Bipin Chaudhary asked him, Chunni, just you tell me, I know that you have a very good memory. Using your memory, you just tell me, where was I? Was I there in Ranchi in the year 1958? क्या मैं 1958 में रांची में था? बिपिन बाबू चुन्नी लाल put some stress over his mind, and he said, yes, you have been there in the Ranchi. Let me confirm the year. It was 58, 59, 50. Yeah, it was 58. So what you see, even Chunni Lal has also given a confirmation that Bipin Chaudhary was there in the Ranchi. So you see, three person has said that Bipin Chaudhary was there in the Ranchi. First person, the person number one, the person who met him in the market. Person number two, his own friend Dinesh Mukherjee, and now Chunni Lal has made it confirm that he had been in the Ranchi in the year 1958, and only one person did not think that he was in the Ranchi. Who is that person? बिपिन चौधरी हिमसेल्फ. बिपिन चौधरी थिंक्स, बिपिन चौधरी को लगता नहीं कि कभी वो रांची गए थे, इसीलिए वो क्या कर रहे हैं, बहुत से लोगों से कंफर्मेशन ले रहे हैं. लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट पार्ट. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi? Chunni's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? Did I go? Did you remember clearly? Chunni sat on sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten all about the Ranchi trip. Then there was some more conversation between Bipin Chaudhary and Chunni Lal, and again Bipin Chaudhary was asking, Chunni, did you remember that I was there in the Ranchi? Now Chunni did one thing. He sat down on the sofa and keeping his mouth in his hands like that, he started staring. Staring means to look continually. He started staring at Bipin Chaudhary and he said, what is the wrong with you? What is problem with you, Mr. Bipin Chaudhary? Have you taken drugs? Drugs तो नहीं लिया है ना? Why are you talking like a mad person? As far as I know that you are not such a type of person who will take drugs. So I know that you were there in the Ranchi. Again he said, one thing I know very well about you, Bipin Chaudhary, that friendship is not a great matter for me. Keep this line in mind. He said, I know that old friendship does not have a great meaning for you. It does not have a great importance for you. Why was he saying so? He was saying so because he was coming to him again and again. Chunni was coming to him again and again, and Bipin Chaudhary couldn't have arranged a job for him. That's why he was making a taunt over him. He said that I know that old friendship is not a great matter for you, but as far as I know you very well, you had a very good memory, and you had a good memory and you should remember it. Then again he asked, do you really think you have forgotten everything about that trip? Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chunni's incredulous stare. Incredulous means unbelievable. Chunni was staring him like that, and he has to move away his face from his eyes. Do you remember what my last job was? Asked Chunni Lal. Of course, you had worked in travel agency. You remember that. You remember that, and you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. I went to the station to see you off. One of the fans in the compartment was not working. I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well, you know. Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. I have been working too hard, he said at last. That must be the reason. Must see about consulting a specialist. After that, Chunni Lal made some more questions. He said, Acha, okay, forget it, Bipin Chaudhary. Let me ask you some question. Do you know what was my last job? What was I working previously? Bipin Chaudhary said, yes, you were working in the railway compartment. He said that if you remember, sorry, you were working in a travel agency. Then Bipin Chaudhary, Chonila said, if you remember this, that I was working in a travel agency, then why don't you remember other things, like it was I who arranged your ticket for the Ranchi, even I came with you to the railway station. Not only that, the fan of your compartment was not working, so I brought a mechanic for repairing it. Don't you remember all these things? I don't know what is problem with you, he said. Again he said, I do not know what is problem with you, Bipin Chaudhary, but one thing is very sure, that you are not very well. You are having some health problem, you are having some psychological problem. Now, because so many people were saying that Bipin Chaudhary had gone to Ranchi, three-person has said, then Bipin Chaudhary also thought that, he said, yes, I think that something wrong, there is something wrong with me, and I need to see a doctor. And I hope that this problem is with me because of the hard work that I am doing in my office. Okay. Now Bipin Chaudhary has also realized that he had been to Ranchi. There is some problem with him. That's why he has forgotten everything. Let us move to the next part. Doubtless, it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal leave without mentioning anything about the job. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of the bright eyes and sharp nose. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. Look, Dr. Chanda, he said Bipin Babu desperately, you must cure me of this horrible illness. I can't tell you how it is affecting my work. Now Bipin Chaudhary went to meet a doctor whose name was Mr. Paresh Chanda, and after going to him, he said to him that, listen Mr. Chanda, I am suffering with a very acute problem, very great problem, very serious problem, and I request you, please find a treatment for me and get me treated from this harmful disease. Let us see what was the reply of Dr. Chanda. Dr. Chanda shook his head. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary, he said, I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience, but I have one suggestion. I don't know if it will work, but it is worth a try. It can do no harm. So Dr. Chanda said, listen, Mr. Chaudhary, after listening your problems, I just came on the conclusion that your problem is very different. In my whole life, I have never seen such a case. So right now, I do not have any specific treatment for your problem. उसने कहा कि डॉक्टर ने कहा कि अभी मैं आपके प्रॉब्लम के लिए मेरे पास कोई स्पेसिफिक सोल्यूशन नहीं है, बट आई हैव अ सोल्यूशन फॉर यू कैन डू ट्राई इट. मेरे पास एक सोल्यूशन है, इसे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. आई डू नॉट नो वेदर इट विल वर्क और नॉट, बट यू कैन ट्राई. देयर इज नो हार्म इन ट्राइंग. लेट अस सी व्हाट वाज हिज सोल्यूशन. क्या सोल्यूशन था उसका, डॉक्टर का? बिपिन बाबू लीन फॉरवर्ड इनएक्सेसली मीन्स वरीडली. As far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, and I think you are of same opinion, you must have been to Ranchi, but due to some unknown reasons, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. What I suggest is that you go to Ranchi once again. The sight of the place may remind you of your trip. This is not impossible. More than that, I cannot do at the moment. I am prescribing a neurotonic and tranquilizer. Sleep is essential or symptoms will get more pronounced. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better. The next morning after breakfast, he rang up his office, gave some instructions, and then procured a first class ticket for the Ranchi for the same evening. Now, what was the solution of Dr. Chanda? Dr. Chanda said, listen, it was somewhat filmy. ये कुछ फिल्मी जैसा था, हमारे जैसा हमारे फिल्मों में होता है. Dr. Chanda said, listen, Mr. Chaudhary, Mr. Bipin Chaudhary, I am fully confident that you have been there in the Ranchi, and you also have accepted it that you have been in the Ranchi. But because of some reasons, the entire thing has got deleted from your mind. So what I suggest you to is that you should visit that place once again. आपको उस जगह पे एक बार जाना चाहिए. And I hope that if you go to that place once again, the sight may remind you of all the things that you have seen in your previous journey. अगर वहाँ पे चीज़ों को देखोगे तो हो सकता है आपको सब कुछ याद आ जाए. So this is the only problem solution that I have for your problem. Now after listening this, Bipin Chaudhary became somewhat relaxed. Next morning he made a phone call to his office, gave some instruction. Now he bought a ticket for the Ranchi. Okay, so this was the part number 3. Students, complete both the comprehension questions, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.